14 years.
27 years.
18 years.
Proudly 11 years.
12 years.
7 wonderful years.
I've completed my 10 years, 10 months, and 22 days.
Trust. Teamwork.
Values.
Unstoppable.
Purpose.
SIC is my family.
For me, SIC is a legacy where values inspire and impact lasts forever.
Changed lives, built careers, and made parents proud. That's what I've seen happening in SIC for the last 30 years.
30 years of turning every dream into reality.
For me, SIC journey is a proof that trust lasts longer than trends. A legacy that stood the test of time.
An institution built on trust, not just numbers.
True strength of SIC lies in its values and ethics.
For me is not just a milestone. It's the source of alignment, purpose, and growth.
With strong leadership and teamwork, even the impossible turns into possible.
30 years of legacy built on trust and guidance, and lakhs have transformed futures.
30 years of turning every dream into a reality.
It gave my life purpose and meaning, not just a career.
It taught me that helping one person can change generations.
It made me part of a larger mission, not just an organization.
It taught me empathy to keep others before myself.
The opportunity to contribute, learn continuously, and create values inspired me.
It has made some of my low and ordinary days extraordinary.
It made me realize that true leadership is about lifting your team in success and shielding them in failure.
Where every challenge is turned into a chance to grow.
It builds my confidence and provides stability in my career.
It changed my life by giving access to knowledge that empowered my career.
SIC has been a turning point in both my personal and professional growth. For professional side, it gave me the opportunity to work with different people and take different responsibilities, which helped me to understand how the organization works. And this helped me to improve my skills and teamwork.
It gave my life purpose and meaning, not just a career.
SIC gave me the platform to lead, inspire, and evolve.
That we did not just send students abroad, we sent hope across borders.
That our true profit was measured in changed lives.
That we made integrity fashionable in business. That honesty and empathy built us stronger than marketing ever could.
That this is not in a workplace but in an institution that empowers women and shape young minds into leaders.
Where dreams meet their makers.
From chalkboards to boardrooms.
Freshers today, leaders tomorrow.
When women lead, legacies last. The best is yet to come.
Where dreams meet their makers.
A journey of opportunities and growth.
My heartiest congratulations to Sonia ma'am and the entire team, and here's wishing the organization many such milestones.
Congratulations SIEC for achieving this great milestone. And I would also like to take this opportunity to thank SIEC for all the opportunities and great memories over these years.
Congratulations everyone. SIC has turned 30 today. I want to thank Sonia ma'am for creating SIC. SIC to me, it has given me a platform, an identity that I'm proud of since last 8 years. I wish SIC and we all learn and grow exceptionally in the coming years. Today is a day to celebrate. Cheers.
30 years ago, SIC was just a vision. From one office to many, from a small team to a family spread across continents. When I joined SIC, I really expected a workplace. What I found was a vision and a deeply human one. It has really made me a better professional and a more grounded human being. To every SICian, thank you. Thank you for your passion, your resilience, and your belief in the purpose which has been laid out by our founders, by the seniors, by the pillars of the organization who has been there throughout the journey of SIC. Congratulations all of us. Here's to the legacy we've built and the future we are ready to shape.
I wish SIC a very long and healthy life. I've dedicated a small poem which I've just written for all of us on this special occasion. You were my beginning, my silent song, where stillness moved and time belonged. You shaped my path, my faith, my name, my future's hope, my present's flame. You ground my steps, you let me fly through joy, through sorrow, ever nigh. With you I rise, with you I stay, unraveling tomorrows day by day. Many congratulations to all of us on completing 30 years, to SIEC, to ma'am, to each one who belong here.
From a naive 22-year-old who had not seen anything outside Ludhiana to become a world traveler, rub shoulders with the best in the industry. I started as a telecaller and today I am the AVP of the company. It took me 22 years to achieve that. But trust me, the way you pushed here, the way you've given opportunities, the way you've given an open platform, if you just work hard, stay focused and generate immense value for your own self and for the company, you can do it in half the time or much less. Because SIEC is one organization that has given me my own identity. I bow to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations, SIEC.